Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install holders. Connect the RF suction handpiece to the machine. Connect the RF and ultrasound handpiece to the machine. Connect the RF suction body handpiece to the machine. Connect the EMS and EL handpiece to the machine. Connect the small Lable laser pass to the machine. Connect the large Lable laser pass to the machine. Put all the handpieces into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine. After all are connected properly, press the power switch to start the machine. Press RF and ultrasound function button. Set parameters. Ultrasound. Energy range is 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 15 minutes is recommended. RF energy range is 0 to 10, 3 to 7 is recommended. Constant working mode for ultrasound is recommended. Normal mode for RF function is recommended. Ultrasound mode selection. Constant working mode, suitable for those with thick fat accumulation. Discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who have unwanted fat on specific areas and want to shape body. RF mode selection. NOR is fixed mode. The red LED light is on and the RF energy directly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Pro is smart mode. The red LED light is on and the RF energy slowly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Apply some medium evening to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Press RF and suction body function button. Set parameters. 3 to 7 RF energy level is recommended. 15 minutes is recommended. Suction. When suction time is longer than release time and the release time is not 0, the handpiece is at suction and release status. And when release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction status. Adjust the suction time and level based on individual endurance. NOR mode for RF function is recommended. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply essential oil evenly to the target area before treatment. Do not use creams with high thickness, otherwise there will be blockage. Press button to stop the treatment. Press RF and suction function button. Set parameters. 3 to 7 RF energy level is recommended. 15 minutes is recommended. Suction. When suction time is longer than release time and the release time is not 0, the handpiece is at suction and release status. And when release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction status. Adjust suction time and level based on individual endurance. NOR mode for RF function is recommended. Apply RF cream or essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Do not perform the treatment on dry skin. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Press EMS and EL function button. Set parameters. 3 to 7 energy level for EMS function is recommended. 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level for EL function is recommended. Apply gel or essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Press Lable laser function button. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. M1 mode is recommended. 37 energy level is recommended. Mode selection. M1. Constant working mode, suitable for those with thick fat accumulation. M2. Discontinuous working mode with low frequency flash, suitable for those who want to consolidate results. M3. Discontinuous working mode with high frequency flash, suitable for those who is slightly fat. Wrap the strap with proper length around the target area. Insert the Lable laser pass into the strap. Press button to begin treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.